Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an exciting review of one of the boldest and most controversial SUVs in the BMW lineup, the BMW XM. This is not your typical BMW. It's a high-performance plug-in hybrid SUV that's pushing the boundaries of design, power, and luxury. Let's explore every detail, from its striking exterior to its high-tech interior, powerful performance, and pricing. Right from the start, the BMW XM demands attention. Its massive kidney grills, aggressive LED lighting, and sculpted hood make a bold statement. This isn't a vehicle that blends in. It stands out with its angular design, blacked-out accents, and sporty proportions. The 23-inch wheels give it a commanding road presence, while the gold trim and XM badging add a touch of exclusivity. Around the back, you get stacked quad exhaust tips and a split tailgate that emphasizes performance and practicality. It's a love-it-or-hate-it design, but there's no denying it has presence. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that combines sportiness and luxury in true M fashion. The interior is draped in premium materials. Leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber are used throughout. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, perfect for long drives or spirited runs. The driver-focused cockpit features a large curved display with BMW's latest iDrive 8 infotainment system, offering intuitive controls and crisp visuals. The ambient lighting, available Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound, and crystal-like controls enhance the feeling of opulence. In the rear, passengers are treated to what BMW calls the M Lounge, with deep bucket seats and premium finishes, offering a surprisingly luxurious experience. Under the hood, the XM packs a punch. It's powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined 644 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. That's enough to rocket this SUV from 0 to 60 in just about 4 seconds. The hybrid system allows for up to 30 miles of all-electric driving, which is impressive for a performance-focused SUV. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension, and precision tuning mean the XM drives like a much smaller vehicle. It's aggressive, refined, and undeniably fast. Pricing for the BMW XM starts around $160,000, making it one of the most expensive models in BMW's lineup. But considering the power, tech, and exclusivity it offers, it's aimed at those who want something truly unique in the luxury SUV segment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.